Hello there. You might know me from the DDR card draw app, DDR.tools. I've been working on another tool that I wanted to show off in a video here. This is at smx.tools. It is a web-based configuration tool for StepManiaX stages. First things to note, this doesn't work in Firefox. It'll only work in browsers that support Web HID, which right now is Chrome, and the kind of like other browsers based on Chrome, Vivaldi, Brave, Edge, etc. So you got to use one of those. But it'll run in anywhere those browsers run on a desktop. So that means Linux and Mac support is also included. Let's do a little demonstration of kind of what that looks like. Once you've paired your stage, it'll appear here. You can get up to 2 paired at once. They'll both be here side by side. You can apply preset sensitivities that are the same as the stock configuration app, low, normal, high. You can toggle using the LEDs on the stage to show current pressure readings. You can send commands to reset or recalibrate the sensors on demand, and remove will just unpair it from the web page for now. You can see an overview of what the current sensitivity settings here on the side. The tar values will come in on a real stage, but I don't have them mocked out here. You see the current raw sensor values for every single sensor on the stage all at once. You can click on any panel and you'll get a little flyout control that has lots of diagnostic information that you would get from the official tool, also represented here, like correcting your dip switches. And it shows the current readout of the raw, the tar, and the final calibrated value for every single sensor. You can individually disable those if you want. If you disable all of them, now that panel is disabled entirely. You can customize the sensitivity for that panel. You can unlink the sensors and customize the sensitivity on each individual sensor as desired. You can also use separate thresholds. So if you want to set the press threshold and the release threshold farther apart, as you need to do for load cell stages, which we also support, then you can separate it like that. With these focused, you can also use the arrow keys up, down, or hold shift to jump in increments of 10, just for convenience there. And just to give an example of the load cell, it'll look more like this, where you can't set sensitivity individually per sensor, but you do have separate thresholds here that you can use. So that's pretty much it for now. As time goes on, we might develop support for messing with the animations on the stage as well. But I'll post another update when we get around to that. Thanks for watching.